There is a power outlet for small electrical devices such as cellular phones, located on the instrument panel. If so equipped, there is also a power outlet located in the cargo area. Please see the manufacturer's owner's manual supplied with your device for detailed information when connecting the device to an outlet. The power outlets are powered only when the ignition switch is in the on position. To use a power outlet, open the cap. Leaving a device connected to the power outlet with the ignition left in the on position and the engine off can discharge the battery and the vehicle may not start. If so equipped, this is the 120-volt power outlet for the second row and is rated at 150 watts. Use the 120-volt power outlets only with the engine running to avoid discharging your vehicle battery. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.